In this video, I'll guide you through how to use full screen in Google Meet so you can focus on your meeting without any distractions on your screen. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Meet in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Google Meet website or by clicking a meeting link that someone has shared with you. If you're using a calendar invite, you can also click the Join with Google Meet button there, which will open the meeting in your browser. Once Google Meet is open, either join an existing meeting or start a new one so that you can see the meeting interface. After you've joined the meeting, take a moment to look at the controls along the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find options like turning your microphone and camera on or off, sharing your screen, and adjusting other settings. Toward the right-hand side of this control bar, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. It might look small at first, but it contains several useful tools, including the option for full screen. Move your mouse over those 3 dots and click once to open the More Options menu. A small panel will appear with a list of settings and actions you can take during the meeting. In this list, look for the option labeled Full Screen. Depending on your browser and Google Meet's current layout, it might be somewhere in the middle or near the bottom of the menu, but it should be clearly labeled. Click on Full Screen. As soon as you do, your Google Meet window will expand to fill your entire display. The browser tabs, bookmarks bar, and other desktop elements will be hidden, allowing you to concentrate fully on the meeting content and participants. This can be especially helpful if someone is presenting their screen, showing slides, or sharing detailed content that you want to see more clearly. When you're in full screen mode, the meeting controls will still be accessible. If they fade out after a moment, just move your mouse slightly and they will reappear along the bottom of the screen. This lets you mute yourself, turn your camera on or off, or access the More Options menu without leaving full screen. If at any point you want to exit full screen, there are a couple of easy ways to do it. The simplest method is to move your mouse to bring back the meeting controls, click the 3 dots again, and then select Exit Full Screen from the same menu where you turned it on. Most browsers also let you press the Escape key on your keyboard to leave full screen mode quickly. Using full screen in Google Meet is a small step, but it can make your meetings feel more immersive and less cluttered. Anytime you join an important call, especially one where you need to pay close attention, it's a good idea to switch to full screen right after you join. That way, you can minimize distractions and get the most out of your meeting.